You definitely want to go through somebody you know, you like, you trust, and that has excellent customer service, as well as Hey, it's Lance McGowan, and today we're going to talk about how to order doTERRA oils and what they never tell you until it's too late, okay? One of the first things to keep in mind is you don't just want to go to doTERRA.com. You're going to get assigned somebody that you don't know, and it's important to remember that doTERRA is all about building relationships and is focused on word of mouth marketing or referral marketing. And so you're going to somebody that you know, you like, you trust, and hopefully they provide excellent customer service or response time so that you can have a more positive experience. And so you definitely want to go through somebody, and then they'll redirect you to either become a wholesale customer, a wellness advocate if you're interested in the business side, or just a retail customer if you want to just get the oils and not save any money. Alright, the other option is Amazon.com to get your oils, but I don't recommend that because it is against company policy to actually buy oils from somebody who is a wellness advocate on Amazon.com. And so that's going to be an issue from a maybe integrity standpoint, so you definitely don't want to do that. Plus you're lacking the relationship and education side as well as the personalized support. And so that is going to be something to keep in mind. You definitely, again, want to go through somebody, not just Amazon or doTERRA.com directly. And so finally, whether you go with somebody locally or you go with somebody online or you go with somebody out of state, the main thing to keep in mind is Jordan Belfort's 3 10s rule. And so basically it means the person, product, and company have to be a 10, a 10, and a 10 in your mind in order for you to reduce your action threshold to make a purchasing decision. And so that means getting to know the person, getting to know the products that are going to help you get from where you are to where you want to be, and getting to know the company, the history, the founders, everything, so that you have the idea of like, okay, wow, yes, I feel comfortable, I feel confident in my decision, and I want to move forward. I want to make a purchasing decision, and here's what I want to do. And so specifically with doTERRA, it would be kits or an enrollment kit for a wholesale customer, which is what most people do, or a wellness advocate if you want to earn your oils for free or earn part-time or full-time income with doTERRA. And then the other option is obviously retail, where you can get onesie twosie oils, or you can get, you know, whatever you want basically, but it's not going to come with the same savings. You're going to save at least 25% off with the kits, plus you have the option to earn up to 55% off with the loyalty rewards program. And then all that information, though, I have lots of other videos on all that, so you don't have to like memorize anything or feel like, oh my gosh, it's getting overwhelming now. Don't worry, more information of that will be in the link in the description below. But the main purpose and kind of bottom line of everything is you don't want to buy on doTERRA.com, you don't want to buy on Amazon.com, and you definitely want to go through somebody you know, you like, you trust, and that has excellent customer service, as well as building up the person, product, and company in your mind so that each one is as close to a 10 as possible, so that you can make a purchasing decision that you feel comfortable with and that you know why you're doing it, right? And so that's going to be all key. Otherwise, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did. Hit subscribe for future video updates, and I will see you in the next video.